Utah Auto Insurance. Having cheap car insurance is one thing, but having none at all is an entirely different story. Utah is one of 12 no-fault states and it requires resident drivers to continuously carry coverage. Driving without Utah Auto Insurance can subject an individual to far more negative consequences than might be imagined. InsuranceOnTheWeb.com makes it easy to gather multiple quotes with just a few clicks of your mouse, to help you find the coverage you need at a price you can afford. Motorists in the state should always carry proof of coverage, and present it to law enforcement officers when requested. Aside from this practice, the state has begun comparing motor vehicle registration records with a database containing Utah auto insurance policies. If the program discovers that there is no policy to match the registration, a letter is sent to the registrant requesting proof of coverage. If you have received one of these notices, and currently have insurance, contact your insurance provider immediately. If you are driving without insurance, request a quote from InsuranceOnTheWeb.com and we will connect you with multiple local insurance agents and direct insurance companies in your area. Any registrants who do not provide proof of vehicle insurance, after receiving this letter, will be included on a list provided to law enforcement and the DMV. If the person is determined to have been driving a vehicle without having coverage, the registration of the vehicle may be suspended. Failing to provide coverage proof is considered a misdemeanor, and is subject to a fine of up to $400 for the first offense or $1,000 for a second or more frequent offense within a 3-year period. Once a person has been convicted of failing to insure a vehicle, the individual's driver license can be suspended. It may be reinstated once the person provides the agency with proof of coverage and pays the stipulated reinstatement fee. For 3 subsequent years, the individual may have to provide proof of coverage at all times. Anyone convicted under this law who terminates coverage within the ongoing supervision period must surrender the driver license. If the person applies for another license within 3 years of initial request for coverage, proof of Utah auto insurance must be provided before the license is issued. It must continue to be provided for the remainder of the 3-year period. Go ahead and request your free Utah auto insurance quote online with InsuranceOnTheWeb.com.